bro.
Well, I didn't do shit. What you talking about, man? I didn't do nothing.
I ain't talking about them saying, bro. You can't be going back, man.
Well, I didn't do shit.
Stop! Do not pull away from me.
Bree, get my phone. Bree, get my phone.
You're obviously not a good idea right this second.
Seat with taser incidents that cause huge problems for officers. This officer tasers Sharon partner. But first, this male finds out what happens when you steal an officer's taser.
Officer, pal, can you stand up real quick? Yeah. You got a warrant.
Whoa.
You got a warrant.
Warrant for what? No,
violation of probation. Yes, violation of probation.
For what, though?
No, for what?
You're going to get charges. You are going to get charges now.
For what?
Stop.
I'm not playing what I'm getting charged for. What am I getting charged for? Tell me. Then I'll chill.
No, you got a violation of probation. Put your hands.
What?
Don't explain everything, okay? It's not with anything with us. Now turn around.
What you mean not with y'all? I didn't do anything. I've been working.
You got a violation. Turn around.
For what?
They will explain it. We don't have to tell you. Now turn around or you're going to get
You have to tell me.
No, we don't. You got a warrant, a valid warrant, and I am telling you right now.
Okay, so I'm asking you guys, what is the value of before we get to any of this?
Violation of probation.
What violation?
They'll explain everything.
Okay, can I have somebody listen? I'm only saying this because I just went through this.
Okay.
And I didn't do anything wrong, and I only sat for 3 months, and I just got back out for no reason.
You were going to get charges if you don't put your hands behind your back. You have a valid warrant in the system.
What warrant? They didn't send me no warrant, no nothing.
They don't have to send you a
That's
warrant.
the they do. What the fuck you talking about?
Stop. Calm down.
Calm what down?
Okay. Put your hands behind your back.
You're just gonna get tased, man. I'm not gonna keep asking.
All right. I'll put your hands behind your back.
Don't
Put your hands behind your
Oh, stop playing.
Don't go! You are going to catch charges! Open the door!
What the fuck? What's going on?
No!
Open the door.
Unlock the door!
Unlock the door.
What the fuck, cuz?
Stop!
What the fuck is going on, bro?
Get out right now.
Put your hands behind your back.
Oh my fucking God, bro! What the fuck, man?
Bro, y'all not finna tell me what my arrest for? Or my warrant? Why you think I care about that taser? You wanna
Man, bro!
Well, I didn't do shit. What you talking about, man? I didn't do
I
nothing.
ain't talking about them saying, bro. You can't be going back, man.
Well, I didn't do shit. What's my warrant for?
Could you please tell me? I'm his cousin.
What's my warrant? Hey, tase me, bitch. Tase me.
Don't do that. Don't do that. No, stop. Tase me. Shut up.
Bitch, I'm a dog. I'm a dog.
Please.
Tase me. Bitch, ass me.
Get him.
Tase me. Bitch, ass me. Tase me.
Cuz, stop. We're gonna make it worse.
What you talking about? I'm a dog. What's wrong with you? What you talking about? What you talking about? I don't know. Why you not tough, nigga? Bro, I'm a dog. I told you that. That's what I'm saying, you bitch ass nigga. I'm a dog, nigga. What you talking about, nigga? A real dog. What you talking about, bitch ass nigga? What you talking about? That's it.
Get shackles here.
In the trunk in my bag. In the center pouch.
Why don't you just go in? You were fine.
No, bro. I told you. I ain't do shit. I've been working. I ain't just broke my wrist. You just cuss off me, man.
No, they're not coming off you.
See my wrist? I can't even move it.
Well, why don't you just listen?
All y'all do is just sit me up on the bed. That's it.
When we get the shackles on, you will get sitting down.
Man, listen.
You fought with us multiple times.
Because I told y'all had to tell me something. Y'all
Hit me in my face.
I didn't hit you in the
Yes,
face.
you did.
I didn't hit you in the face.
Yeah, good job. You got 2 more charges now.
I ain't get you no more charges.
It's all on video, so it's there. Put me on your side. Are you ready? No. Watch your head. Watch your head.
Come on, what? Dog, help me up.
7195.
Hey, man.
7195.
So what's going on, officer?
Relax, okay?
I'm relaxed.
Please relax.
As relaxed I'm gonna ever be. Because this right here.
We're going to take you down, and we got some questions we got to ask you, Mr. Okay? Calm down.
So,
please.
233.
Especially. What's up? Hit the weight room. Okay. I feel good. Yeah, my wrist hurts.
You got a garbage?
Ooh, shit.
I'm gonna wipe your face and give you some water, okay? I'm sorry, that's the mama in me. Let me know when you're ready for some water. Your adrenaline just going down now.
Yes, good. I'm gonna go.
This suspect was charged with disarming a peace officer, resisting, obstructing, battery to enforcement officer, and escaping a criminal arrest. He is innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law.
What's up, guys? How's it going? You guys didn't finish your chicken. Are you gonna pick it up?
These are the people that are involved. Like, our ambulance came. They said they weren't hurt.
What happened? What happened? Hello?
Oh my.
I said twice. What happened?
We trying to figure out. We trying to find the person.
Who's the driver?
We trying to find her.
Who drove? Which one of you three was driving the car?
We wasn't driving. That's what we trying to
So
figure
the other
out.
one just mysteriously
Yeah.
vanished in air?
Yeah.
Okay. You think I'm gonna believe that?
I don't know what you want to do.
Whose car is it? Okay, so you were driving. Yes, no. Alright, you aggravated me.
Oh my. You trying to take me, but stop!
Do not pull away from me.
Bree, get my phone! Bree, get my phone.
You're obviously not in a good idea right this second.
Stop!
Hey! Stop! Yep.
Razor, I'm gonna stop.
He friendly fire just occurred when another officer fired her taser. When a series deployed, 2 separate probes are fired. One probe hit the suspect, while the other hit the officer who's on the ground with him.
No more teeth!
Stop! Are you kidding me?
Back!
Hey, man, you gotta push me. Dude, come on,
Back!
my shoes. I'm back.
Get us some more cars up here now. Back! Now! Back! You go back! Back! Back!
Hey, calm down.
Back up!
3352,
What's your name? You got my phone.
Sit down.
Back now! Back up!
What's your
now! Back!
I'm right here.
Back!
You mentioned me into someone else's
Back!
property. Dog. What's your name and
Back!
badge number? Ma'am, they just tased me.
Yeah, he did because you were fighting with an officer.
I'm not fighting. Come on, be calm.
Stand up!
He's got everything on him. He's still got needles in his car. Bree!
Turn around. Stand against the car. Turn around and stand against the car.
I am. I don't have nothing on me. Bree! Bree, are you going to help me?
You're under arrest for drinking and driving.
Okay. Bree!
Have a seat.
Are you going to help me?
Back up now or you're going to jail.
What?
Last warning. Everybody back up now. Charlie 37 started bus. That motherfucker bit me like an animal.
He bit you?
Yeah, all through here. Lit me up under here. You gotta take this out for me, will you?
Okay.
Harder. Oh.
Can we get a band-aid on it?
You, come with me. Go over here.
Do you have anything on you that's supposed to stick me or poke me?
No.
Nothing? All right, go ahead and take a seat.
Have a seat. Those other two are gonna go to jail here in a second.
That's fine.
Back up!
I'm on the sidewalk.
Did you? I told. All right.
I'm on the sidewalk.
Nope,
Whoa,
you're going to jail too.
whoa.
You're going to jail too.
Hey,
I said, hey,
I didn't move.
mother.
I have my hands on you. Push my head down like that. Oh my God, I'm not moving anything. Come on, dog. Look at me. I'm proud you're looking at me like that. Like I'm a criminal. This is bullshit. I didn't do shit.
Called misconduct in an emergency.
I didn't do anything, dude. Nothing.
How many times can somebody tell you to go back? I told you to move back 10 times.
How you gonna look at me like that and do nothing, dude? You're a whole ass police officer. Do fucking something. What the fuck is this? Get the hell on the
Misconduct in an
sidewalk.
emergency, will you? The other one comes back, he goes too.
Silver 2014 Chevy.
Can you check him out? He was tasered. One in the back of my car.
This guy right here?
I don't know if he got it or not.
He did. I got him. Brooklyn got you, just so you know.
Brooklyn got me.
Yeah, that wasn't me who shot you.
You guys deploy at all?
This part of that person there?
I thought. Oh, I got tasered. I got taser.
You did?
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Molly lit me up.
Well, I'll wake you up. There you go, Amber. That's
Brooklyn didn't tase. You tased me. I tased him.
No, Brooklyn tased.
Brooklyn swears up and down they did not
He
tase.
tased and it hit your arm. Heather watched all of it.
Well, they're saying they didn't shoot taser.
Yeah.
I'm
I
telling
shot
you.
the second one.
You got me in the arm.
That wasn't me. Heather literally watched it.
Are you guys sure nobody tased from you guys? You guys didn't deploy tasers at all?
No.
All right. Oh, he bit the shit out of me.
For fuck's sake. That was disgusting.
Yeah, he bit the shit out of me.
Are you kidding?
That's him biting me.
You've got skin for sure.
Oh yeah, you're bleeding.
Yeah, you got me in the arm.
My bad.
I got him.
You were on top of him.
Well, yeah, 'cause he was biting me.
Yeah, that's when I got him. He stopped afterwards.
They're drunk. They hit a pole.
Bronco in his leg. Or was he just stuck in his pants?
In his leg, yeah. Yeah, he had one in his leg and you got me in the arm.
I didn't mean to. I'm like, you guys were on top of each other. I'm
Damn,
sorry.
I really thought that that guy got you. I thought
He
that
didn't have
they
a
shot at
cartridge
the
in his
same time.
taser. I heard somebody else taser, so I said, okay.
Yeah, I was yelling for everybody else to know.
My bad.
I started yelling.
Sorry.
The first suspect that was arrested was charged with driving under a suspended license, driving under the influence, resisting arrest, and felony assault on a police officer. These con suspect was charged with misconduct at an emergency scene and resisting arrest. They are both innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law.